How to fix Arby's app not working. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix if your Arby's app is not working. So if you're having trouble working up this app, the first thing you're going to have to do is check if the application is up to date. Go to your Play Store and simply search for Arby's and tap on the app to see if it's up to date. I have this open button here instead of update, which means I have the app up to date. So if not, you can just update the app and update it to its latest version. Additionally, you can try to uninstall and reinstall. That will make sure that you have the latest version of the app. The next step is to tap on the settings menu down below, scroll down all the way until you find the option for apps. Now find the Arby's apps from your app list. Just go ahead and tap on the app and go to storage. Make sure that you clear cache for the app, and then you could also try to clear all of its data to reset the app, and you're going to have to log in back again. Then go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed for the app. And finally, you can go to the battery option and make sure you set this to unrestricted or optimized. And after that, just force stop the application, because if sometimes there is something going on in the background, it will help the application to run smoothly again. These are the things that you can do to fix the problem. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.